Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I had to swap out my wiper blades, so I opted for these from Dodomes. They worked perfectly and it was such an easy swap. It took me less than 5 minutes. Having perfect visibility on a car is so important. As you know, my old blades were just horrible. These were an easy swap out. They fit perfectly, replacing my factory blades. The blades in front were an easy swap, taking less than 2 minutes. And the back one was a little bit trickier just because the style of blades that my particular car comes with. However, after a quick tutorial, I was good to go and it was an easy swap out. As I mentioned, having easy and great visibility is so important when we're driving. Not just that, but having older blades really is so loud, cuts into your sight, vision, and it's so important when we're driving. Being able to replace these right from the factory blade to a brand that came at a really significant less price was really wonderful, and I'm sure that you would be happy swapping your blades out for these, and that's my point of view.